Good afternoon, everybody. So, very happy new financial year. So, today is the eighth day of our 60-day rule-based trading challenge. So, we'll quickly go through the today's analysis. Today, again, a day of learning in terms of market, moving wildly in both the direction. Started with a gap down and then recovered, and then uh, again it started falling. So how did we manage to face this situation in using our strategy is something interesting. So we'll get into the charts first. So let me first show you the chart of the Nifty itself. Like it's a 15 minutes chart, Nifty 50 chart, and then as you see that this is of day first candle of the day. There was a gap down, substantial gap down, I would say, and then post that there's a 15 minutes, substantial recovery, and again substantial recovery in the next candle also. And this is when our strategy triggered, assuming that market is going to go up. The first trade which got triggered was a put selling. So that means the market was supposed to go in the direction of the upward side. And exactly after our trade was taken, the market reversed. And that is when our stop loss got hit. So I'll show you the chart of the put which we had sold initially. We had sold it at 90 rupees at the on the closure of the 9:45 candle, and we had, as usual, strictly as per the rules, we always put the stop loss. And then as you see in the very soon after we took the trade, maybe after at around 10:26 a.m., our stop loss got hit. And interestingly, at the same time, when the stop loss got hit, we also got the trigger for the reversal trade. Reversal trade means here we had sold the put, and there was a trade confirmation on the entry for the call selling. And accordingly, we sold the call at 78.95. This is the actually 23,700 of the next week expiry, because this week expiry, the premiums were very low. It was not lucrative to, or it was not interesting to sell the current week, the instrument. So we took the next week instrument as per the rules. Again, 23,700 CE we sold at 78.95, and we had put a stop loss of the 50% stop loss. But this time our rule says that as soon as the trade starts, day low becomes our the measuring yardstick, and from there 50% will become the stop loss. That means, which means we'll be trailing the stop loss every time the market goes in our favor. So accordingly, we started trailing soon after the trade got entered, but obviously it never went above our, except for a short span of time, maybe few minutes or so. It went against our direction, but most part of it, the trade was going in our direction, as you see in the chart. So it started falling, and then it was at the day end we closed the trade. Although we were revising our stop loss, we our revised stop loss also never got hit. So we ended the day at the lowest end of the lowest level, almost near to the lowest level. As you see here, again, I'll if I see the show you the MIS order. So this is the first order which we sold at 23,300 PE. Uh, oh, it is sold at 90 rupees, and then we covered it through the stop loss order around 135, you would say. And then the next order got sold at 78.95, and then it got covered at 43.55. So now, looking at the journal here, the trading journal, the same entries have been made. So we incurred a loss in the first trade, and we could substantially recover the losses. Of course, still the day got ended in a minor loss. Because our second trade was in profit, and it compensated to the some extent the loss incurred in the first trade. That it is, again, I'm not going to stress too much on the profit or loss. It is about how sticking to the rules helped to maintain a cool and calm way of trading. And at the end of the day, it helped to be, maintaining that composure. And let's see, we will, since we completed the day 8 now, so we will continue our journey for the remaining, till the end of the 60 day. We don't want to talk anything much about the P&L, but we will always, learn something or the other each day, and that will be our focus. Thanks for now, and then see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.